How to change your handwriting from this to this. Handwriting has a direct link with personality. Some have bad handwriting, while others have good handwriting. Here are some tips to improve your handwriting. Sitting posture. Keep your back straight. Paper position for left-handed person. Paper position for right-handed person. Use a nice pen. A nice pen gives a smooth flow. Different pens have different nibs. Use the best one. Correct grip a pen. Keep the pen at 45-degree angle. Avoid squeezing the pen too tightly. Prefer a soft hand grip. Use a lined or grid paper. This keeps your size and spacing consistent. Without lines. With lines. Spacing between letters. Don't tangle words with each other. Consistent letters. Mark your mistake zone. Your letters should not be like this. Write in a line like this. Practice daily. Write at least one page daily to improve your handwriting. You can also use worksheets. Beautiful handwriting doesn't come overnight, but if you stick with it, your results will surprise you. Keep writing, keep growing, subscribe for more.